In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Google Ads account. Before we begin, a quick note on terminology. Google separates canceling a Google Ads account from permanently deleting it. Canceling stops your ads and billing and can be reversed. Truly permanent deletion requires removing your entire Google account, which affects all Google services linked to it. I'll walk you through both concepts so you can choose what's right for you. First, let's look at canceling your Google Ads account from within Google Ads. Open your Google Ads dashboard and look to the left-hand side. Click on Admin in the left bar, then select Manager Account Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage high-level preferences and status. Next, expand the section labeled Account Status. In this panel, you'll see the option to cancel your account. Clicking Cancel will stop your ads from running and pause future charges. The key advantage here is that you'll be able to reactivate the account later if you change your mind. That means your historical data, campaigns, and settings are preserved, and you can come back when you're ready. You might notice that, in my view, I don't have that cancel button visible. That's because I'm currently demonstrating this in a test account, and some options aren't available in this environment. In a normal active account, you should see the account status section and the cancel option right there. A few tips before you cancel. Make sure you've saved any reports you might need for record keeping, confirm that all necessary invoices have been downloaded, and check for any outstanding balances or credits so you're not caught off guard later. Also, if you collaborate with others, let your team know you're canceling so there are for no surprises. Now, if your goal is to fully and permanently delete the Google Ads account in a way that it cannot be recovered, Google requires that you delete your entire Google account. This is a much bigger step with wide-reaching consequences because it affects Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, and any other Google services tied to that account. If that's what you need to do, I recommend proceeding carefully and making backups of anything important. We have a separate, dedicated video that walks you through deleting a Google account safely, so be sure to watch that for a complete guide. That's all for this walkthrough. If you found this helpful, consider reviewing your goals before canceling or deleting and choose the option that best fits your situation.